Okay, so today I'm going to be working on the lifted Mx5. If you've seen the last video, I went through a few pieces that I picked up off eBay, which are all going on to the build of the lifted Mx5. These are what are going on today. They are these lovely Jeep headlights, which I've seen on more Mx5s than Jeeps. They're definitely a great buy. I think anyone with an Mx5 Mark 1 with the pop-up headlights should definitely invest in a set of these. These are only €66, so you can follow. I'll leave a link in the description to my last video where you can see where I got these on eBay. I basically go through ways of getting stuff on eBay as cheap as possible, as the price of these varies from about €66, which is what I paid, up to about 150. These here have obviously low or dipped and full beams. I'm not sure which way it should go, but I'll figure it out when I have it all connected up. And then it has a daytime running lights and LED all the way around the outside, which is powered by these two cables. So you probably could connect it to the indicators and have the circular LED kind of flash as used indicators, or you could connect it to the side light, which I hope I have. Hopefully there's this light in there, which I'm going to connect it to, and then I should just have a daytime running light. So I'm quickly going to first start taking off this bracket. Back of the headlight, I think this piece should just pop off. Yeah. So that should be a H4 connector as well. So new headlight should just plug directly into this. And that is in. That was easy. Now to test it. Oh shit, that is so much brighter than before. Looking at this one here, and then this, look at the color of it as well. When you get directly in front of it from the side, you can't really tell. And then once you just position yourself right in front of it, you can't see a thing. Oh, they're incredible. They are so good. I think that's the dip. So I'm gonna put the full headlights on. Around. Oh no, that's false. Before I put this headlight back in with the bracket, I'm gonna quickly just run 2 wires from the connectors at the back here for the daytime running light. I'm gonna connect them to the side light here. I can run it up here and then through one of these little holes, run it through to the front. That should power the daytime running light, so that will be on. And then I'll do the same to this side as well. I've accidentally connected it to an indicator. What I should probably connect it to is this little light down here. So if anyone wants to know what it looks like to connect it to as an indicator, this is what it will look like. It actually looks pretty good. I don't know whether it would look good with the two different kind of colors flashing together, but anyway, I'm going to reconnect it now into this one here. Okay, so this is the bulb that I should have connected it to, and not this side indicator that I thought was just a light that stayed on. So I'm going to quickly just get this done. And that one is now wired in. So that's the daytime running light is now wired into this one here. So if I switch on these, yeah, that's them on there. They look so good. I'll just stick it in place. That looks so sweet compared to that shitty old light. So I'm gonna put the bracket back in. Hopefully it should fit in. That's the new headlight in now. It fits really well in here. It's using the old bracket. Still only put 3 bolts in, and then this one here I'm just leaving the way it was. So I'm quickly gonna do this side. I had this headlight out here and I was tapping into the running light down there. I found these little bulbs that I got off eBay ages ago. So I'm going to actually throw these in and see if they work. They're only €2, so I'm not expecting much, and they come with this remote. I think you're supposed to be able to change color and stuff like that. So I'm going to throw that into down here. I'm going to put the other one over here as well and see how these work. So I'm just after finishing installing the left hand headlight, and the right one is finished as well now. So I'm going to bring the car outside and get a few shots. You can see from those clips the headlights are in and they look class. Definitely a huge improvement over what was in there before. So I'm just going to quickly test out the dipped and full beams. I'm just going to knock the light off in here. That is just the daytime running lights. I got the little LED things with the remote working, but they won't change. They're stuck on whatever this pattern is. The remote, there was a remote that came with them, but it's not changing anything, so I think it's just broken. But I only paid €2 for them, so I wasn't really expecting them to even turn on. I just bought them out of chance. So that's just the daytime running lights on. That's the dipped, and oh no, that's dipped. So daytime running lights, dipped, full. I'll leave a link in the description to these headlights. I got these on eBay. They're €66, so I'll try find something similar to them on eBay. This listing's probably expired, so I'll try find something similar enough to these headlights. They are E-marked as well, so they should be road legal, I'm pretty sure. Unlike, I know, the sleepy eye ones that some people run with the headlights kind of half down, the kind of bar ones, I don't think they're road legal. So these are a great alternative option to those headlights, and these look great. They do, especially the daytime running lights. They're so bright as well compared to what was in there before. I'll probably take out those stupid flashing lights that'll be coming out soon. So subscribe to the channel if you want to keep updated with the build of this lifted MX-5, and like the video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.